building trust and reputation through consistency and quality. Every call you take is shaping your reputation. In this lesson, I'll show you how consistency, reliability, and great experiences help you earn trust and grow faster on the platform. How the platform builds trust internally. Rentacyberfriend tracks your reliability and engagement behind the scenes. Showing up on time equals trustworthy. Completing calls without issues equals dependable. Returning users equals a strong sign that you're doing something right. All of this influences your visibility in search and how confidently the platform promotes your profile. Creating a positive client experience. Every interaction is an opportunity to make a lasting impression. Be on time and fully present. Create a warm, respectful environment. Listen actively and bring good energy. Building a solid reputation over time. Reputation is built quietly, but it leads to powerful results. Clients are more likely to rebook people they trust. Quality experiences lead to long-term success. Professionalism always pays off. Don't chase perfection, aim for connection. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be real. Focus on empathy and understanding. Be consistent in your tone and approach. Let your personality and care speak for itself. Your reputation is your foundation. Show up, bring value, and trust that every great call builds something bigger.